Netizens are calling out two U.S. news outlets that reported on a fake fatwa encouraging sexual relations between Syrian women and rebel fighters. News sites Alternet and Salon both published an article on the supposed religious ruling, saying it promoted gang rape. The fatwa supposedly permitted temporary marriages between sexually frustrated anti-government fighters in Syria and Syrian women. Both sites later retracted the story and apologized. The religious edict was attributed to the prominent conservative Saudi cleric Mohammed al-Arifi, who took to the web to deny the reports, showing a screen grab here, seen on your screen, of the tweeted hoax. In a video posted online, he said the fake tweet had been circulated in his name. Well, many online blamed Islamophobes for promoting the hoax. Ali Abu Nima, who reported on the fabrication on his Electronic Intifada blog, tweets, "With progressive outlets like Alternet disseminating Islamophobic hoaxes, who needs the right wing?" Our next lead takes Twitter from a social network to a tool for insect mind control. The Twitter Roach Art project takes a real cockroach outfitted with remote control and programs its moves to different hashtags, like tweet roach left or tweet roach right. All you need to do is send the hashtags to @tweetroach. The project was created by artist Brittany Ransom. You can use our hashtag to send us your thoughts too. Tweet us using the hashtag AJStream. Lisa?